Ladies and gentlemen,
what's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. So before I even get into today's video, guys, I want you guys to just go ahead and drop a like on the video, guys. So we're trying to really promote this channel. We're trying to get this channel to 2K subscribers, and I have a giveaway going on, so check out the link in the description and enter, guys. So here doing some more work on the front wheel drive RC Civic, and I did pull down the chassis and did some gearbox work and stuff like that, and I did find out that I did have a bad bearing, a diff bearing. So I had a bad diff bearing, so I changed that out. Okay guys, so I'm in the process of rebuilding back the gearbox. So the issue that I found with it was that the top gear up here, which powers the spur gear, and then down to the idler gear, there's a pin that goes into here. So I put that back in and seal it, and then clean up the gearbox to the best of my ability and get most of the residue out of it. And then over here I had a bad bearing for the diff, which was this one. So naturally what you're gonna do now, or what I'm gonna do, is change it out to this one right here. And there's nothing wrong with the one right here. However, when you're changing these things, you just do it by pairs instead of doing it one by one, so that you have a clean setup when you're finished. This is what the chassis is looking like with the tear down. And while doing that, I decided that if I'm going to run the car on 3S just for experimentation purposes, I might gear down the car from this tall gearing that I have here and go down lower on gearing to see if I can get some more torque. Because what I'm doing is mainly just seeing what the car will do on 3S, because as I said before, I have not really run the car on 3S. Probably done it once or twice, but I'm gonna try it out now. Trying to do some significant power to weight ratio changes with this chassis, and I did go ahead and do some more work with the chassis now. Where the support is right now, I did change it. There was a shorter one that was here. Just can't get the camera to focus. Yes, I did change it. So I had a shorter one that was like from here to here, but I got a longer one now. I'm gonna put another screw here, maybe, to give extra support. But overall, see if I can get the camera to focus. Yes guys, overall, it should be strong enough, and I can adjust this right here to get more stiffness in the chassis. However, I don't really think I need it. And coming around here, I did some more work to the diff, tighten up the diff, lubricate all the gears and stuff like that, make sure everything is turning properly. And right now I can turn the gearbox and you won't hear any clicking. Just smooth. So that was the aim, guys. Definitely looking forward to seeing the car do some impressive times next time out. Baby steps, because as I said before, we're not really rushing this build because we're currently going through winter, but this is what it is for now, guys. The goal that I really have for this car, guys, is to really try to make it I don't know about the world's lightest front wheel drive RC car, but I really want to make it extremely light, because I want to use almost little to no power to get this car to at least be a low 3 car. But for now, if I'm gonna run 2S, I have a little secret, a little trick up my sleeve for 2S, but you guys have to tell me if it's gonna be illegal. So again, stay tuned. But different things I'm gonna be trying, because the chassis is a lot more sturdy now, even from how it was from factory, even a lot lighter. So this car should have a lot of potential. So stay tuned and remember to subscribe.